Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is me taking you through my academic Notion setup. So I use Notion for many things, but today I'm showing you my school page and my school setup for Back to School 2021. So I'm telling you guys how to use Notion as a student for Back to School 2021, and of course I will have a template with all of the pages I'm showing you today linked down below so you guys can duplicate it into your own workspace and edit it to fit your needs. I'm so excited for this video. This is kind of going to be like my online bullet journaling workspace on Notion, which I'm so excited for. And without further ado, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more bullet journaling wellness and hopefully some more Notion content as well. So let's get right into the video. So hey guys, I think we are recording. Today's video, I probably explained all about this in the intro, but I am showing you guys basically my whole academic Notion setup. So I have three kind of main things that I have in my Notion. I have my content creation, which is kind of the main one I use. Then I have school, which is the one I'll be showing you through today, and personal, which is pretty much just everything else that doesn't fit into those other two categories. So today I'll just be showing you my school setup, and I'll probably do a few other videos where I show you the rest of the setup, just because I thought it would be fitting for back to school to show you that part of my Notion. So I haven't gone back to school yet. It is only the 31st of August. I go back, I think, next week on the 7th. So I haven't obviously started setting up everything yet. So I just kind of pre-set up everything so you guys can kind of see. I've got sample templates and stuff. I will have this template linked down below. But I'll be showing you the one that I use today. So I have one for year 9, which was last year, but I'm showing you my year 10 one, obviously, because that's the year that I'm going into in September. So let's go in. The first page I have is pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. It is called the Before School Tasks. I probably could have come up with a better name for that, but you know, whatever. This is just basically all the stuff I have to get done before I go back to school. I've got it in order of priority, and then the stuff I've ticked off are just at the bottom. So yeah, I am just got the main priority tasks at the top, and then kind of lower down is just kind of like really stuff that would be good to get done, but not super essential. So you can kind of customize this to what you need, obviously, because not everyone has to do the same things. But I thought this would just be really helpful, so I don't go back to school and feel stressed that I haven't done stuff that I need to do, and just have everything I need for the first day and have a great time back at school, hopefully. So I've ticked off some stuff I've already done. There's space for notes and links, and then I've got the priority here, just so I can kind of start from the top and go down. Then I've got the task name and the status if I've ticked it off. I've just sorted it in order of status ascending, so the ones that I've ticked off will be straight at the bottom, so I don't really have to see them unless I scroll down. And then priority is ascending as well, just so the stuff that is higher priority will be at the top, which just makes it a whole lot easier for me. So that page was kind of simple. Next, moving on to the subject directory, which basically I haven't listed out all the subjects. I will do that eventually. I think I'm taking 11 or 12 subjects for GCSEs, so I'm taking 11, but I think further maths counts. I'm not really sure, but I will organise these and put the subject name, put the teachers, all the resources I need when I start school, just to make it easier for me. But I have a template which I will duplicate and edit per subject, if that makes sense. So I've got the space for the subject name. I can add an icon depending on what the subject is, so I can put like a little DNA thing. If it's biology or like English, I can put some books or something. So I just put the books for now. Then the class, I have space to just insert the class day and time. To say I have maths every like Monday at 3, Tuesday at 10. I can kind of all edit that in once I get my schedule and syllabus and everything like that. Once I get that, I will insert all of the resources and everything I need here. Resources is basically just where I can put, for example, a checklist, a syllabus, any online textbook I have for that particular subject, anything. I can add loads and loads of files if I need to, just so I have it all in one place. Next, the test preparation, which I think is going to be really good when I have a test. So I will duplicate this page per test I have for that subject. So the learning objectives I will just put there. For example, if I'm studying like 3 units, I will just put unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and then put what they are kind of there. And so just so I know what I need to cover and I don't miss anything important out. Then, so I will have like all of the days I have leading up to that exam and the days I want to study, and I will add to-dos for each day. So I like spread it out equally and don't kind of cram it in all the night before, because that is really not great to do. And then here at the bottom, I have run questions. And I also have common question types. And then I have past tests and textbook chapters. I actually got lots of this stuff from a template from loads of YouTube videos I watch and YouTubers. I can't remember all of them off the top of my head, but I will have the original templates linked down below. Lots of them I didn't change too much, but I did change them to what I need, because lots of them are university students. And obviously I'm only going into year 10 in secondary school, studying my GCSE. So I had to tweak them a bit just to fit my needs. Next, I've got the subject content, which is basically to the dates I covered it. So say we did unit 1, we started it on the 1st of September and then finished that unit, say like, I don't know, 15th of October. So kind of just to show what time period we did that unit in, or the chapter or module or whatever. Then I have the name of it or the number. Confidence, so I think the options I have are confident, need to review, and unsure, so I can kind of add and adapt them more when I have gone back to school. But I've just got, so I know kind of which chapters I do need to focus on more and kind of boost my confidence in, until all of them hopefully will be green and I will feel confident in all of those areas, hopefully. Then I've got checkboxes if I've done notes for that unit, if I've written flashcards, and I will add one for review. I haven't done that yet. So I'll do notes, flashcard, review if I've kind of done all of those steps that I do in my kind of study routine. And then I have if I've done an end of unit test, and then the grade I got and everything like that. So, and then I have a bit related to grade tracker, which is kind of irrelevant because I will show you guys when I get to the grade tracker. And then I have any files I need for that unit. So I kind of have everything I need. Obviously, I can tweak and adjust everything in that table when the school year starts. I've kind of just done a basic template that I can use during the school year, so I don't have to create everything from scratch when I have a test, because that would be a lot more stressful. So lastly, in the subject kind of folder, I have my grade tracker, and I've been really looking for one of these just because I think they are so helpful to see if I'm on track with my expected grade and see how I'm doing. Lots of students I've seen on social media, they have, or other Notion subs I've seen on YouTube, they have like the weighted grade and like the overall, but we don't have that kind of thing in my school, like in secondary school in general. So I just have like the exam name, like what the exam was covering, and then content covered, which is where it will link to the subject content, so I can link as many like of the chapters or units that were covered in that exam, just so I can see what it was covering. Then I've got my score, to say I got 12 out of 15, for example. I will show you how it works. So 12, and then say it was out of 15, that's kind of a really easy test. And then I got percentage, and then it will automatically show the percentage, so I don't have to kind of work it out. And then I'll put the grade I got, say I got a grade 4, and then my expected grade for the end of year 10 was, I don't know, a 5. And then I can kind of see like where I need to kind of reach my target grade. Obviously at the beginning of year 10, it's not really a big deal if I'm not getting my target grade for the end of the year, because that is hopefully what I'll be working towards, I guess. So that's quite simple. I kept it nice and simple, like I said, so I can tweak and adjust during the school year. But anyways, that is the subject directory. I will duplicate as many of this template I have for each subject I've got. So I'll duplicate that as many times as I need, and I have this template linked below for you if you want it. Then lastly, I have a really simple page called deadlines. It is just where I can put any homework assignments, any other assignments, any exams, tests, quizzes, papers, anything I've got really that has a deadline in here. So I've got subject, I've got all the subjects I've got color coded so I can kind of see. Then I've got status if I've done it, of course. Then name, like the name of the assignment or quiz or exam. Then I've got like the type of thing it is. Most of them will probably be homework or like tests, but other than that, I have everything else I need. Then I have a deadline. I can put a deadline, for example, to say it was set on, let's say, the 7th of September, and then the end date, it's due on the 21st. So I can see like that's the time, or I can just put the due date. I can just put the due date and then say I have 21 days remaining. And then I didn't schedule it. I just kind of got a database online that made it easy. So say days remaining, it says 21 days remaining, which is so helpful. Then I've got any notes I need and the mark I got, which is really helpful. I kept it really simple, as I said, so you guys can tweak this to whatever your needs are for back to school. So that is kind of it for my Notion setup. I have the template here, which has everything I showed you. I just put the year here because obviously you're going to be in a different year group. Let's just put a little book so you guys have whatever you need. So I've got the before school task, I've got everything the same. I've got the subject directory, which has the one page, and then I've got deadlines. So you guys have everything the same as me for that folder. And then you can duplicate this page for each year you have and add any more pages you need for your back to school. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more bullet journaling, wellness and inspirational content from me, and leave me a comment down below if you would like to see another video where I show you the rest of my Notion tour, because I'd definitely be up for that. I love making these videos. And anyways, I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.